everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surpi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Now today I'm gonna talk about all your queries and definitely I'm having one surprise for you all. That too regarding for the INSET 2023 which will be held in the November 2022. That means this year November only. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. The first question from your side is, which book should you prefer for the preparation of INSET 2023? See, the main book is the AIMS 25 book. You need to purchase that book and then prepare it from that book for the INSET 2023. The second question is the PDF available for the AIMS 25 book? No, not at all. It is not available on the Telegram. It is not available on the Google. So you need to purchase that book from Amazon. It is nearly about 730 or 780 rupees. So you go and just check out on Amazon and please buy the latest edition of that book. The thing is, if you are a practitioner or you are having a job or you are doing something other than preparation for the INSET 2023, then it's my request that you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. There I will gonna put the MCQs with solution if required. Otherwise the MCQs for the practice in the Instagram story daily, and that too from the practice papers as well as from the INSET past papers. So it's my request that whosoever is practicing and still want to prepare for the INSET 2023, they can follow me on my Instagram ID and enjoy the free MCQs and free preparation. The second surprise is that there is the set of 5 years of past papers of INSET which is available in the PDF form. Definitely this PDF form of INSET last 5 years papers are paid PDF but with the minimal amount. So if you want that PDF of last 5 years of INSET exam, for that you need to drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, as well as you can follow me on my Instagram ID and DM me there if you want that PDF. But make sure that it is the paid PDF with very minimal amount. The last surprise for you is that there is the crash course for the INSET 2023 preparation out. That include the 10 INSET mock test with the full course in test stimulation test with the 200 exam oriented MCQs which is available from the 1st October onwards. Second thing is this course include the daily test, that is the 20 MCQ daily test of all the subjects for you to practice and revise the previously read subjects. Third thing is the 50 plus subject test, that is the full syllabus subject test that help you to brush up with the subject even faster than the 100 MCQs in each. 15 plus grand test specially prepared from the subject that are interconnected. This is the practice of the image based question. Get familiar with the image based question and improve your speed in reading those questions. Last but not the least, the clinical case scenario, the separate section of the long clinical scenario that mimics the current paper style to improve your clinical judgment over the clinical questions. So this course of INSET 2023 is now valid today onwards with the cost of just only rupees 1400. In whatever days left with the exam, you can join anywhere, anytime. For that you need to drop me the mail or you can DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. If you find it an interesting one, if yes, then do join this course and then thank me later by scoring a very good marks in the INSET 2023. So all the very best for your preparation. Already the INSET preparation planner is out on my channel. Don't forget to check out that. It's already out on my channel regarding the recall questions of the INSET My 2022 paper. So don't forget to check out that. I will put the link of that video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching.